at that time when the families used to come, they used to come to in the high courts, mostly the women whose sons, husbands, they were disappeared after the arrest by the security forces. Besides filing these petitions, they used to discuss things among us themselves.
Thousands of people have been subjected to enforced disappearances, leaving their families in perpetual trauma. Not only combatants, but also non-combatants have become the victims. From 10-year-olds to incapacitated elderly, the whims of armed forces determine the prey. Thousands of homes have been affected and about 200,000 relatives have been putting in untiring efforts to ascertain the whereabouts of the missing.
At mudlik chase man karam 15-30 karan is meeting at pe document banawa bagayes Philippine te tadi osimo banamut Asian Federation team banawuk tasit ruzus beiti timan ta chutimo yadgar banamut medamas este hasak banaw yeti yadgar asti roz toiti.
These people have no grace, and there should be some place of moving to the families. So just in 2001 we had made a foundation stone here of the memorial at Eidgah, but it was demolished by the security force on the same night. They razed it to ground, and in fact they filed an FIR against us also that we have encroached on the state land, which it was not a state land, it was a land of the Muslim Endowment Trust. So then, but we have decided that we will raise the memorial, and the memorial significance is also because we will not let any past to be forgotten, because we have to remember the past for stopping this thing in future. And so in this behalf that in this year, hopefully, we are likely to raise a memorial in memory of the disappeared persons there.
Despite the loss and the immense trauma, the resilience of family members, particularly the women, is reflected in the pledge to fight injustice. Fighting against all odds, particularly in a traditional setup, these women not only strive hard to make the ends meet, but at the same time are trying to kindle the flame of hope by relentlessly knocking at the doors of incapacitated judicial system.
One of the hurdles was that the families were totally illiterate. They were not knowing about their rights. They were not prepared for the collective action. They had no concept of this civil society. And the greatest factor was the fear, psychosis. Fear from the state, from the law enforcement agency, that if they will frame such organization or they are going for the collective action, they had to face the reprisals, and they did face reprisals. I mean, a lot of cases were that mostly in the remote areas where the people who went to the courts for filing habeas corpus petitions, I mean, they were harassed, threatened. Even there were some cases where the members of the families were killed. There are some instances. Facing a lot of the problems, that we finally were able to
The family members are not only harassed by denying information about the missing, but more so, the vulnerability of female members to exploitation increases tremendously.
Pop pats gar problem zenas os na kahane acha brother su lakut zenas os na kahane didi os amut repair emis os result didi su pata emis kitab repair ites pat gare te asos meus matric paro patil na as kahane gar sahar pat es na hok perit na kya acha brother os paran 12th as temis pons bermet onmut os papam vazum kata mat patasam bermet maril pat pop nochte emis pat parum traun patasam garchi problem temis pet gar war pressure temis yem ki wajah se temis shivering gasan beches heart problem te such na hekan bichar ye karit khen be temis pe war problems gar tension chus ben cham mother cham boy chum panam pan chum be kya kari pop kar hat hekna brother karit kya
أسۍ کٔرِکھ تنگ ہر رنگ آز چھِ کران فون اَسہِ پھلٲنۍ جایہِ مِلنہِ فِستٲنۍ جایہِ مِلنہِ یِمن کیٛاہ مقصدس چھِ اَتھ منٛز أکہِ راتھ تہِ کوٚرُکھ فون تہٕ اَسہِ تُل نہٕ کِہیٖنۍ یا راتس تہِ ٲسۍ کران فون تُل نہٕ اَسہِ کِہیٖنۍ تنگ چھِ کران ذرا کورِ چھکھ واژمژ یہِ چھِ ہُہ چھِ تہٕ اَمہِ موٗجوٗب چھِ تنگ کران وۄنۍ چھَس کھوژان دپان چھَس نہ فون چھَس
کٹھے 10 بجے آیہِ یِمہٕ صُبحٕچٮ۪ن 3:30 بجن تام تہِ ٲسۍ یِم انٹرگیشن کران کمرس منٛز پتہٕ تُلِکھ دارِ دروازٕ کٔرِکھ بنٛد اَسہِ کٔرِکھ پِٹو أسۍ سۄ خۄدا تعالیٰ ہن روٚچھ اَسہِ عزت تمہِ ساتہٕ رۄبُل کریٖمن اَسہِ روٚچھُن عزت أسۍ کٔرِکھ بنٛد کمرن منٛز یوٚتن گژھان چھِ تتٮ۪ن چھِ أسۍ دپان تۄہہِ چھُو بچہِ زنٛدٕ أسۍ چھِنہ وۄنۍ گژھان بٕتھِ ہاوٲنی کُنہِ تہِ جایہِ ییٚتٮ۪ن بہٕ توٚتن وٲژٕس کھۄرنا وورٕے چھس واتان پوزار زیادٕ مگر ہاوان چھُم نہٕ بٕتھِ کِہیٖنۍ اَمہِ ساتہٕ چھِم کرٛہنہٕ مازٕکۍ پن ژھٮ۪نان أمۍ سُنٛد ٹوٗر چھس تھاوان برٛونٛٹھ کنہِ دپان چھس خۄداے یتھ بانس شوٗرُم بتہٕ یتھ بانس تہِ شیرہا بتہٕ کران چھس سٮ۪ٹھاہ وۄنۍ کیٛاہ چھِ بلاے وۄنۍ کوٚتن گژھِ مول زنان کوٚتن گژھِ کانٛہہ سہارا چھُم نہٕ
In most of the cases, children are worst hit.
اس لڑکی کورمت ٹینک پورس اندر تو لہذا تم سن خاندار نیو پتہ کور لاپتہ پتہ وی سو لڑکی میں ژۄلوے بچہ یت ورس مز پتمس درو ات مز کور پتہ پس فیصلہ زٕ بچہ رٹھ تمو تو زٕ بچہ یہ پران تم یہ تو لہذا تم نش بے پتہ یہ مے لڑکی ہز نا کور ہز کور
بس ونکس خبر پگہ آسان ویل سی ونکس کرن کیا زینن تہ کتہ.
Though the elders have issued orders in the family, but did anybody bother to ask these children for their choice? The childhood of these 4 siblings disappeared the day their father went missing, yet the misery did not end there. They were divided into 2 families. Trauma of an orphan childhood, the pain of living in fractured families, and often the denial to inheritance are the crude aftermaths of the tragedy befalling them.
Another problem associated with disappearance cases is the problem of those who are their inheritors. Most of the times disappeared persons are young, their parents are alive. Now, according to Muslim law, one becomes shareholder in his ancestral property only after death of his father or his parents. Now, since parents are alive, he himself is not a shareholder in that property. His descendants are also denied the benefit of becoming inheritors of his property. But Islamic law does provide that the grandparents must make a will or in favor of some deprived